Hello everyone, my name is Muskan. I am a legal intern at Lexilic and Company. So today's topic of discussion is when a police officer can arrest a person without warrant. So let's proceed with our topic. Person authorized to arrest. Code of Criminal Procedure empowers three people to issue the process of arrest. There are as follows: a police officer with or without a warrant, a magistrate, a private person. Meaning of term arrest. We use the term arrest quite often in our day-to-day business. Normally we see a person who does or he has done something against the law to be arrested. The term arrest can be defined as a seizure or forcible restraint and exercise of power to deprive a person of his or her liberty. In the criminal, arrest of a person is an important tool for bringing an accused before the court and prevent him from escaping. Thus, after an arrest, a person's liberty is under full control of arrester, but every deprivation of liberty or physical restraint should not be interpreted as the arrest. Only the deprivation of liberty by a legal authority in a professionally competent and skillful manner amounts to arrest. The major purpose of arrest is to bring the person before a court and secure administration of law. An arrest also serves the purpose of notifying the society that a particular individual has committed an act which is against the society and act as a remark or to the crime in the future. However, even if a person against whom no accusation has been made can also be arrested for certain purposes like removal in safe custody from one place to another. For example, removing a minor girl from a brothel. Arrest should not be confused with custody because both have different meanings. Judicial custody of a person is followed after the arrest of a person by a magistrate on appearance. In every arrest there is custody but not vice versa. Arrest without a warrant. Yes, a person can be arrested by a police officer or any private officer without warrant ordered by the court. Particularly, the police officers may arrest a person without a warrant under certain conditions. The condition to arrest a person without warrant mentioned under Section 41 of Code of Criminal Procedure are as follows. A person who is concerned with any cognizable offence such as murder, rape, theft can be arrested without warrant. Cognizable offences are the offence for which a police officer, in accordance with the first schedule of the RPC or guided by any other law for the time being in force, can arrest without warrant. Cognizable offences are those offences which are very serious in nature. Example: unnatural offences, rape, kidnapping, etc. If any cognizable offence has been committed, a police officer can investigate that without the magistrate's permission. Section 154 of CRPC provides that under cognizable offences, if the police officer receives any information relating to the commission of cognizable offence, if given orally, shall be reduced to writing and be read over the informant. Whether given in writing, shall be reduced to writing and shall be signed by the informant. The substance shall be entered into book to be kept by officer in form prescribed by state government. Section 154 provides further that if any person aggrieved by refusal on the part of the officer in charge of police station may send the substance of such information by post to superintendent of police, who is satisfied that such information discloses any commission of cognizable offence, shall either investigate himself or direct an investigation to be made by police officers subordinate to him. Who has been in possession of any housebreaking weapon without any lawful excuse. Who has proclaimed as an offender in the CRPC or any other order by state government or any law by being in force. Who obstruct police officer while performing his duty or who have escaped or make attempts to escape from lawful custody. Who has been concerned in any law against whom a reasonable complaint has been made or credible information has been received or is having been involved in an act committed in any place outside India. If committed in India, would be punishable of an offence and for which he is under law relating to extradition or otherwise liable to apprehend or detain in the custody of India. Who is reasonably suspected of being deserted from any of armed forces of Union. Whom being released as a convict commits a breach of any rule mentioned in subsection 5 of section 356, that the state government may be notified to make rules to carry out the provisions of this section related to notification of residence or change or absence from residence by released convicts. For whose arrest any requisition has been received from another police officer, provided that the requisition must specify the person to be arrested and the reason for which the arrest is to be made, and therefrom it appears that the person must be lawfully arrested without a warrant. The police also have a power to arrest a person if he denies giving his correct name, residential address, or the police have a reason to believe that the furnished information is wrong. Police are empowered under Section 42 of Code of Criminal Procedure to arrest a person to identify the actual place of residential provision in Section 42 are When any person who in presence of police officer has committed or has been accused of committing a non-cognizable offence refuses on demand of such officer to give his name, residence or gives a name of residence which such officer has reason to believe to be false, he may be arrested by such officer in order that his name of registration may be ascertained. The police officer is empowered by virtue of section 151 of CRPC to arrest a person to prevent the commission of cognizable offences provision under section 151R. A police officer knowing of design of any cognizable offences may arrest a person so designing it without any orders from a magistrate and without a warrant if it appears to such officer that the commission of offence cannot be prevented otherwise. No person arrested shall be detained in the custody for a period exceeding 24 hours from the time of his arrest unless a further detention is required by any other provisions of the code or any law for the time being in force. Process of arrest. The police officer have to follow a set of rules while arresting any person. The mode of arrest is under section 46 of CRPC, whether it is done with the warrant or without the warrant. In arresting a person, the person so arrested should not be handcuffed unless the person have obtained the orders from the magistrate in this regard. Problem section 46R. In making an arrest, the police officer or any other person making the same shall actually touch or confine the body of a person to be arrested unless there is submission to the worth by custody. Provided that where a woman is to be arrested under the circumstances indicate to the contrary, her submission to custody on an oral information shall be presumed, and unless the circumstances otherwise require, unless the police officer is female, the police officer shall not touch the woman for making her arrest. If such person forcibly receives the endeavour to arrest him or attempts to escape the arrest, such police officer or other people may use all reasonable necessary means to effect the arrest. Nothing in this section gives a right to cause the death of a person who is not accused of an offence punishable with death or with life imprisonment. So that's all for today. If you like my video, do like, comment and subscribe the Lex Click YouTube channel. Thank you.